Let's explore some handy ways to use the word add. Let's get started. Add up. Add up means to calculate the total of a set of numbers. Can you add up the expenses and let me know the total? Add on. Add on means to include something extra. Let's add on a dessert to our dinner order. Add in. Add in means to include or incorporate something. You can add in your personal experiences to make the story more interesting. Add to. Add to means to contribute or increase something. Your positive attitude really adds to the team dynamic. Add up to. Add up to means to result in a particular total or conclusion. The small expenses over the month added up to a significant amount. And that's it for now. Practice these and keep improving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, happy learning!